Hello everyone, today we will be cutting and sewing this Genevieve Nnaji Pencil Skirt. A pencil skirt, especially a black pencil skirt, is the #1 wardrobe essential for every woman. It's great for work, for church, and for going on a date. I hope to do everything in this video, but if it becomes too long, I'll upload in 2 parts. Supplies needed to sew a pencil skirt are fabric of your choice, 1 yard for small, 1.5 for medium and 2 yards for large. Hairstay for the band. In Nigeria we call it hairstay, but outside Nigeria it is called fusible interfacing. Scissors, matching thread, chalk, hemming gum for the hemline. This is optional as you'll see later. Zip 8 inches length and measuring tape. You need only 3 measurements to sew a pencil skirt. 1. The skirt waist. You take the measurement around the belly button. Make sure it laps on the body of the person being measured. Note the measurement on paper. Two, hip. Take the hip measurement around the widest part of the buttocks. Three, skirt length. Measure the length from the belly button to just above the knee, on the knee, or just below your knee. These are the standard lengths of a pencil skirt. To cut the front part of the skirt, fold the fabric into 2 and mark the waistline. From the waistline, measure the length of the skirt by subtracting 2 inches for the band. At the end, add 2 inches for hem allowance. Mark the hip line. Having marked all, transfer the measurements you got to the fabric. On the waistline, divide your waist measurement by 4. So 31 divided by 4, which is 7/3. Add 3 inches for that and sewing allowance, and we have 10 inches and 3/4. On the hip line, divide the hip measurement by 4, 40 divided by 4. And add 2 inches sewing allowance, which is 10 plus 2, and we have 12 inches. Use the waist measurement for the hemline because you want the skirt well penciled to show the curves. Having marked all, join the lines. To get the dart, use the person's nipple to nipple measurement and divide by 2. Mannequin is 7, so 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5. Use 3.5 inches horizontally and mark your darts. Follow your chalk line and cut. Notch on the darts, hip line and hemline to keep record of them. I used 4 inches vertical length on the darts. 4 inches is the standard measurement. For the back piece, fold the fabric into 2 and mark all the lines. Mark the zip allowance. I used 2 inches. Then place the front piece from where the zip allowance stopped and cut. I trimmed the abdomen area of the front by ½ inch to avoid folding below the waist. Curve it from the center to the main original line by the side. Cut the back piece into 2 from the folding. Make marks on the back of the fabric to know which is the back. For the band, fold your fabric into 2 and measure the waistline. Remember, I subtracted 2 inches for the band. I will include ½ inch for sewing allowance. Repeat same for the back. Fold together and keep. You don't want to look for any pieces, and that's all. At this point, I think the video is becoming too long, so please I'll stop here and continue with the sewing in another video. This will also give you time to practice everything in this video. Buy the material and accessories, take measurements and cut the skirts. In part 2, we will sew the skirt. Please click the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and enable notifications to know when I upload a new video. I am sewing Christmas clothes for people now. That is why I am not uploading often. I hope to see you soon. Bye.